Trenders, and welcome back to Wish Trend TV. I'm your host Caroline, and this is another episode of Beauty Hackers. Yay! Are you guys getting through this hot summer well? Well, if you guys need to go to the beach and need some body skincare hacks, then make sure you check out our previous video. In that video, we show you guys some great tips that you can use on your body so you can be smooth and beautiful. Now today we're going to be talking about two parts of our body that we use a lot, but we don't really give a lot of special attention to. And these parts of our bodies are constantly exposed to the environment as well, and that is our hands and feet. And our hands and feet can be easily damaged, and they can actually suffer from wrinkles as you get older. And without proper care, age spots can actually form on them. But what exactly defines beautiful hands? Well, it's not exactly the shape of your hands, but rather the condition of your hands. So whether it's soft and healthy. And today we've prepared some hacks that you guys can do at home so your hands and feet can be pristine and clean. Hack number 1. DIY protein nail strengthener. So say goodbye to dirty nails and bite marks. If you're just taking care of your nails alone, that can actually make your hands look a lot healthier. So while cutting your cuticles can actually make your hand look nicer, it actually takes away the support system of your nails and leaves it unprotected. This can lead to infection. That is why instead of cutting away at your cuticles, try to lessen the appearance of it by using proper care. So the ingredients are simple. All you're gonna need is some warm water, olive oil, milk, eggs, body lotion, and cotton swabs. Using a cotton swab, apply olive oil to the bottom of your nails. This moisturizes your nails and protects the cuticles. And if you want stronger, faster growing nails, then try mixing the olive oil with high protein foods such as egg yolks and milk. And to finish, try applying a body lotion or moisturizer to your nails to make sure that they are hydrated and protected. Hack number 2. A DIY hand hydrating mask. So let's make a DIY pack for wrinkle-free hands. All you need is hand lotion or body lotion, aloe vera gel, honey, 2 plastic gloves, and 2 rubber bands. Number 1, cleanse your hands in warm water. Number 2, mix honey, aloe vera gel, and body lotion in a 1:1:1 ratio. Number 3, after applying the mixture to your hands, you're going to want to put your hands in 2 plastic gloves and then tie the ends with a rubber band. Number 4, take off your gloves after 20 minutes or when condensation forms within the gloves. And last but not least, wash your hands for fully hydrated hands. Hack number 3, exfoliating care with a foot bath. If your feet suffers from calluses or cracks, then this tip is definitely for you. So did you know that alcohol and essential oils found in cleansers help to remove bacteria, soften dead skin, and prevent athlete's foot? So all you're gonna need is some mouthwash, warm water, and vinegar. So number 1, you're gonna put 1 cup of mouthwash and vinegar in warm water. Number 2, soak your feet for 20 minutes. Plus tip, if you don't have mouthwash, try using baking soda and vinegar instead. Mixing these two together will cause them to bubble, and the gas will actually help to circulate blood flow and to exfoliate your skin. And last but not least, after exfoliating, make sure you use a moisturizer to stay hydrated. Hydration is key. Hack number 4, a DIY brightening mask. Use a cucumber lemon mask to brighten up dull and tired skin. So this is not just for your hands and feet, but any part of your body where you feel like it needs to be brightened. All you're gonna need is 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, baking powder, salt, and rubber gloves. Add baking soda to water and wash the lemon in the mixture. And then you're gonna wash the cucumber with coarse salt and then blend it after peeling it. Then number 3, you're gonna squeeze lemon juice into the mixture. And then number 4, allow cotton pads to soak in this mixture for about 10 minutes. And then ta-da! You're gonna apply these onto any parts of your area for around 10 minutes to brighten your skin. So we hope that these 4 beauty hacks that we mentioned in this video today help you to have beautiful hands and feet. And our next upload on Wish Trend TV is going to be a what's trending video on stretch marks, their causes, how to get rid of them, and how to prevent them. So make sure you're on the lookout for that. And last but not least, thank you so much for watching, and remember, you are beautiful just as you are. Bye bye!